Today, we will discuss about tips and tricks to clear competitive exams by OK4R method. To achieve any goal successfully, we do need a plan and it should be prepared smartly. In case of preparing for any competitive exams, you need to have a tentative idea of the dates of these exams conducted in a year, and based on this information you need to calculate how many days are there for each paper for the effective preparation. You need to understand that one cannot be the master in all the subjects, so it will be futile exercise to give equal amount of time to all the topics or subjects. Try to formulate the idea where you can easily distinguish or make a list of those topics which are more important and another list of those which are less important. Competitive exams are like war. Nobody is going to spare you if you are weak and having no plan. So making a strategy becomes more important. Try to work on your strengths and on weaknesses as well. Identify the high scoring topics which are most of the time difficult one. Give them some extra time. OK4R strategy was created by Dr. Walter Park, Director of the Reading and Study Center at Cornell University. Dr. Walter Park has suggested students to study in a systematic and powerful way. This OK4R strategy consists of 6 ways to help the students read the text more efficiently and to help the students focus on their reading text. These 6 ways of OK4R are overview, key ideas, read, recall, reflect, and review, which can help you to pack more information through power reading. It is to help you to ace competitive entrance exams. O for overview. In the first glance, just read the headings, subheadings, introductory paragraphs, and summary at the end of the chapter. It will give you a general idea of what is included in the chapter. K for key ideas. Now go back to the beginning of the chapter and try to skim through the key ideas. The first sentence of each paragraph, italics and bold type texts, tables, pictures and diagrams, bulleted sections and itemization often present key ideas of the chapter. R1 for reading the topic or chapter from beginning to end. Now that you already know what is being discussed, read through the entire chapter and see a full explanation of the ideas. If you come to a new word which you do not know, look it up and make a note of it. Perhaps its meaning will be clear as you complete that particular sentence, but it is better to look for the word meaning. R2 for recall. Now put your books aside and write down major points of what you have read and make your notes in few words or sentences. The immediate recall will only take a minute or two, but doubles up the retention time of the topic you are studying. Dr. Walter Park says that 1 minute spent in immediate read nearly doubles the retention time of that piece of data. R3 for reflect. Now that you have kept the material in the storage unit of your memory, it's time for you to shift it to put it in your permanent memory. Think about it and try to find the significance of what you have read and its application or relationship with other topics you have learnt. In this step, students should reflect on the text as you reading it or trying to understand, think of examples and to relate the material to the prior knowledge. R4 for review or revision. At a later time, go over the text again to review material and refresh your memory. If you notice anything that you have forgotten, study those parts again. On weekends, you can test yourself on what you have learned throughout the week. These time-to-time reviews or revisions help you to fix the informations forever. So there you have it, a holistic strategy to crack competitive exams, especially in India. By following the OK4R method, you will surely be able to design a winning preparation strategy for any competitive exams. For any suggestions, write to us at pharmainsights2020@gmail.com. Agila's Insights submits a special thanks to Dr. Rudragowda G. Patil, President, Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, APTI, Karnataka State Branch, for his continuous support.